Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading out on a brand new trip, this time from Bangalore to Chennai. It's an official visit, so I won't explore many places, but I'll give you a room tour and honest food review. For this trip, we are staying at Hyatt Regency Chennai, one of the most prestigious and luxurious hotel in the city. I'll be giving you complete room tour, showing you what I eat, and of course checking out their buffet and restaurant options. So make sure you stick around till the end. As soon as you enter the hotel, the first thing that catches your eye is the grand lobby. It's modern, spacious, and beautifully designed. On the ground floor, you'll notice some unique 3D modern art pieces, and the main reception area is actually on the first floor, which adds a nice twist to this place. Once you take the lift up, you are welcomed into this huge open lobby with warm lighting and helpful staff to guide you through check-in process. Everything feels smooth, calm, and professional, just the way you expect from Hyatt. Now, let's head to the room. I'm staying at the executive floor, which means better views, better amenities, and a little extra comfort. As soon as you enter, you are amazed by this massive room. Honestly, I've stayed at properties like Marriott, Lalit, Leela, and La Meridian, but this one easily has the largest and most spacious room I've seen in a while. The bathroom area is equally impressive. It's got all the essential, a huge bathtub, and even two separate bathroom sections, which is quite rare. There's also a automated curtain partition between the bathroom and bedroom area. A nice and modern touch. Or cost cutting, you let me know in the comment section. The room also comes with automated blinds on the window. The view isn't particularly breathtaking, but the overall space and comfort definitely makes up for it. You can also spot the hotel swimming pool from here, which is accessible to all the guests. After checking in, I was starving, so I ordered a burger and coffee through room service. What I liked was how they serve it. You get all the toppings and sauces separately, so you can customize your burger exactly how you like it. Simple but smart. Later in the evening, I decided to explore the restaurant for dinner. The ambience was really nice, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Initially, I thought about trying the buffet option, but I didn't like the buffet option as much, and also my last buffet experience at Hyatt Ahmedabad wasn't that great, which I will share some other time. So, I decided to go for a la carte instead in their fine dining restaurant at Focaccia. And the ambience was really amazing over here. Dim lights, candles, and a calm atmosphere. I ordered sardo veggie pizza and a guava based drink. They served me some complimentary bread with the sauce first. Honestly, not that great, so I skipped it. Then came the drink. It looked good but was a bit too salty and spicy for my taste. Also, the pizza was also just okay. I was expecting something a bit better considering it costed almost 2000 bucks, but overall it was fine. Not terrible, not amazing. After dinner, I headed back to my room, finished some pending work and called it a night. Tomorrow going to be all about meetings and then I'll be heading back to Bangalore. That's it for this trip. If you enjoyed this room tour and food review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more hotel stays, travel experience and city vlogs. See you in the next one. Take care and keep exploring.